everyone, I'm Nicole Gonsalves, and today I am cooking up a family favorite with a twist. I am making a prosciutto wrapped egg in a hole for the whole family to enjoy. I know you guys are gonna love it. Let's hop right in. This recipe consists of all of your breakfast favorites. We got some prosciutto, eggs, butter, fresh chives, salt and pep, and everything is gonna get baked into a slice of the Ace Bakery 3-cheese oval. It has this beautiful golden crust made from Romano, sharp-aged cheddar, and Parmesan cheese, and it honestly is the best tasting bread ever. So we're gonna slice this in half and then into 6 equal 1.5-inch slices, and you get to eat the ends. So I already have my oven preheating to 375 Fahrenheit, and I've laid out my slices of bread onto a lined baking sheet. I also have a round 2-inch cookie cutter, and I'm just gonna cut out the center of each slice, spreading on some softened salted butter. I'm gonna take my slices of prosciutto, I'm gonna fold it in half, and then I'm just gonna pop it right into the hole, kind of like a cupcake liner. And you want the edges to flare out like a flower, because those are gonna get really crispy in the oven. So now comes the fun part. We're gonna grab our eggs, crack them, and add them right into the prosciutto. Season with sea salt, black pepper, and fresh chives. And then into the oven these go to bake for 15 minutes. Eggs are perfectly poached. Prosciutto is crispy. It's gonna be so good. Prosciutto wrapped egg in a hole. It looks fancy. It's really easy to make, and it's easy to make for 2 or the whole family. Just crack a few more eggs.